In the previous video, I showed you how to move and select objects using the cursor tool. In this video, I'll show you the three different cursor tool modes that provide additional functionality. The first mode is Resize mode. This mode is indicated by a few things. First is the word Resize in parentheses on your controller, and second are the four handles on each side of an object. To resize an object, simply press and hold the trigger on a handle and drag. Note that not all objects are resizable, in which case handles won't appear. While in Resize mode, you can toggle between resizing on one side or resizing from center. To toggle between the two, keep the trigger down on the handle and click the grip button. It's important to have the trigger down on the handle when clicking the grip button, because pressing the grip button by itself is the action to undo. Okay, the second mode on the cursor tool is Rotate mode. To switch between modes, simply select the cursor tool again on the tool wheel. When you do so, you'll notice the word in parentheses went from Resize to Rotate, and the icons on the selected object changed. In this case, Rotate mode uses a big wheel in the center of the object. To rotate, simply hold down the trigger on the wheel and move your controller in a circle. It's easiest if this is done near the object, pointing down at the circle. Now, just like Resize mode, Rotate mode also has a toggle, which will toggle between rotating freely and rotating incrementally. The mechanics work the same though. Hold down the trigger on the wheel and click the grip button. The last cursor tool mode is Axis mode. To switch to Axis mode, press the cursor tool again. Axis mode will bring up arrows on the sides of the object, which when grabbed and dragged, move the object along a given axis. Now, to review the three modes and demonstrate how they all work together, I'll bring on an ottoman to make a chase on this couch. I can rotate it using Rotate mode. Since it will be at 90 degrees, I'll toggle to incremental rotation by holding down the trigger and clicking the grip button. With the ottoman against the couch, I'll use the Axis mode to keep it on that line and drag it to the end. I can then hit the cursor tool again and resize the ottoman to fit the couch.